Good day. In this one, I will share to you quick basic tips about troubleshooting. Found out that this lever cannot move and is stuck to speed 8. Okay, you can see the V-belt is slipped on that pulley. Okay, this is the schematic control. S1, S2, S3, that is for the limit switches. Okay, S1 for the lever, S2 for the guard screen, and safety number 3 contact is the thermistor attached on the motor. Okay, S1, S2, S3, because we found out there is no display on that timer, but this one is 440. The power supply is 440 3-phase. This one there is a spare S4. Okay, this one CPU and then the timer. Okay, this one is the lever, that is for the S1, then that one is for the S2. Okay, when we remove this guard, it triggers the CPU to turn off, or the card will shut down. S1, S2. Okay, I already connected the multi-tester and check all limit switches. It's okay. Sample for this S2. See, you can check the contacts, then all limit switches are normal. S1, S2, S3, S4 is the vacant. That is for extra, for the emergency stop. This one is the output, UVW. Okay, in the input 440 3-phase, and then this one going to the remote. The timer is broken also, there is no display. Okay, but during reset it will turn automatically the motor. It means the connection, the output connection on that CPU, the contacts for the output is well dead, but we need to use that. But the S1, S2, S3, S4 is working. We need to put an external switch on that S4 because the CPU is broken also. Means when we turn on, it easily run. Need to use that S4 so that we have a start stop switch. Okay, this is for the thermistor, then line 1, line 2, line 3 for the motor 440 connected with a Y connection. Okay, and for the lever you cannot remove the that is the S4. Okay, this is for the repairing the V-belt so that we can reset the lever, because you cannot move the lever if that V-belt will stuck on the main pulley. Okay, for the meantime we need to place this V-belt properly. Okay, and then we need to reorder the CPU and the timer. For the meantime we need to use that S4 to start stop the mixer. This is very important that we need to have a remedy first, because this is very important in our daily use in Galley. Okay, okay, we need to test. Start. Okay, when we turn off, the motor will stop, and then turn on again, and then S1. Okay, turn off the mixer again, automatic turn off. Lever, safety card, automatic turn on. Okay, all safety is working, and only the timer and the card will need to replace. Okay, that is good because the CPU is welded. But if that CPU is broken, we need to convert in conventional contactor. Start. Okay, thank you very much.